New Mexico needs new leaders to ensure sustainability, security, and prosperity in the years to come. And New Mexico State University is training those leaders today. The College of Agricultural, Consumer, and Environmental Sciences uses innovative teaching strategies and new technology to unite traditional sciences with modern tools and approaches. More than 20 different majors meet personal, workforce, and economic needs. Academic programs offer hands-on learning and research opportunities to equip and inspire students. Each ACES student is highly valued and given opportunities to thrive so that they find their strengths and passions. ACES faculty are global experts in their disciplines and are accessible to students, guiding them on their career paths with life-changing learning experiences. ACES prepares students to be the leaders the future demands, to address key agricultural, economic, and community needs that, in turn, make a positive difference in New Mexico. ACES graduates are well prepared to be bold and shape the future. To learn more, visit aces-academics.nmsu.edu.